How do you tell when a tree is reaching the end of its productive life?
When it looks like that.
When you begin to have a lot of this dead wood, and this is wood bark that's peeled off. You see another branch that died. Look at this tree right here. This one is dead. You have another amount of dead wood here. This is all dead. Got a few suckers on it. It might be possible to take this tree off. Oh, look at the trunk. Oh my gosh. This is a candidate for a one-cut method of pruning, okay? Quite honestly. It's not a really good, long, productive tree. Now, Don, are you going to leave it here to get off of what you can for a few years?
Probably not.
Okay.
Probably take it out this year.
Yep. So this is how to tell when trees reach the end of their productive life. This, by the way, folks, for Don's sake and Doug's and others, this is a disease called black rot. And black rot gets in older trees. It's a slow killer of trees. It probably will take another 5 years or so if you leave it. I see that the trunk is all infected down here. You got a nice strip of bark right here that's left, but it's really not very much.
Now, will that transfer to other trees?
Black rot is endemic. It's all over Mother Nature. Wild trees have it, and so yeah, you could transfer it, but it's not a big deal if you leave it either. Okay, because it blows around on the wind and it's all over.